In this video, I'm going to be giving you an update on the current road constructions happening across Ogun State. And the first is the Lagos-Sango-Ota-Abeokuta Expressway, and also the Ilishan-Ilara-Akaka Road, and lastly the Elaga-Miliki-Shaja Road. Now, starting with the Lagos-Sango-Ota-Abeokuta Expressway, work has commenced across sections of this road, and the ongoing repairs are undertaken in fulfillment of Dapo Abiodun's promise to aim the federal road remains accessible and safe for residents and visitors. The state government has always reiterated its dedication to easing transportation challenges and enhancing road conditions for the benefit of everyone. Another project in progress is the reconstruction of the 12.3-kilometer Ilishan-Ilara-Akaka Road, which cuts across Ikenne and Remo North local government areas. This project has been structured into 3 phases, from Ilishan to Ilara, extending also to Akaka and ultimately reaching Ode Remo. And once completed, this road will provide immense relief to commuters and visitors navigating these routes. The initiative aligns with the government's firm commitment to enhancing road infrastructure across Ogun State, ensuring seamless connectivity that improves the well-being of the people while driving the socio-economic transformation of the state. Then lastly is a significant progress on the reconstruction of the Elaga-Miliki-Shaja Road, which spans through Abeokuta North and South in Ogun State. The contractors have begun laying the asphalt, marking another major milestone in the project. This development reaffirms the government's unwavering commitment to infrastructure growth across Ogun State.